天文台喺下晝2點40分改發3號強風信號。天文台話3號信號至少維持至今晚11點。根據最新嘅預測，熱帶風暴圖茲今晚至聽朝早喺本港以南150至到200公里內掠過，但係同時會減弱，是否需要發出更高熱帶氣旋警告信號，需視乎圖茲喺接近珠江口時嘅減弱程度、烈風區同珠江口嘅距離及本地風力變化。
The observatory has issued the storm signal number 3 at 2:40 p.m. as tropical storm Taraji moves towards Hong Kong. It will remain in force until at least 11 p.m. tonight. As of 2 p.m., Taraji was about 240 kilometers southeast of the region. It's expected to be closest to the SAR from tonight to tomorrow morning, when it will skirt within 200 kilometers to the south of the territory. Depending on Taraji's intensity, the observatory will see if a higher storm signal will be issued. Senior Scientific Officer Lee Shuk-ming was speaking on an RTHK radio program.
Right
now, Taraji has adopted a west-northwesterly track. It will gradually edge closer to places with a cooler sea temperature. This will also cause its intensity to weaken. On the other hand, we expect Taraji's vertical wind shear to strengthen, which at the same time might cause Taraji to weaken when it edges closer to Hong Kong.
The Education Bureau has announced that kindergartens and schools for children with disabilities are suspended today, but the premises should remain open.